Hey guys, welcome to my first video of my channel. Now, what I'm going to do today, and I'm sorry if there's trash bags in the back, I was cleaning my room. What I'm going to do today, I'm just going to intro myself, and actually, what we do here is we find a game, but what we're going to do is play Maverick Bird. It's kind of like a version of Flappy Bird, but it's actually pretty fun. I think it's better than Flappy Bird because you get more tries, and you don't have to click all the buttons. Click all the buttons. All right. Spelled Maverick wrong. Alright, you guys ready for this? Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. My best is 24. But since I'm recording it, recording two things at the same time, it's kind of hard to make it. Whenever I press up, it goes like a little short bit, so I can press it this game. So let's talk about something else here. Okay, ready? So this is actually my first video. Like I said, this is my first video, and I wanted to play another game with you guys. It's called the Impossible Quiz. I'm sure you guys out there know what that is. Oh gosh, 2 O's. Alright. If you guys don't know what this is, I'll leave a link, okay? I kind of like this because it's on a lot of websites, so you can just scroll through there and pick it up. It's really fun.
What do you got to offer us today?
Balance transfer, that's my game. Bank it, never heard of
Advertisements.
that's my name.
Thank you. Next.
Watch
I
me
hate
make your interest
advertisements.
rate disappear.
Skip.
There's got to be a better way to find the right
Yeah.
card. Whatever kind you...
Thank you. No, but a tin can. KO. See, I kind of memorized this stuff. This one's really fun. You have to go under the glue. You can't touch the glue. Shallots. An elephant. Search. Really around for something. There you are. That one. Teeth. Then the smallest. What sound does a bell make? Okay. What can you put in a bucket to make a lighter? Torch. What is the seventh letter of the alphabet? H. 24 minus 7. No, because that's... Thank you. No music. Alright. Wait a minute. Oh, cool. It's 17. I'm gonna guess this one. I think because my friend he showed me how to do this, and I think it was like it goes like the letters right here. The letters right here. I think it goes with the colors like blue, orange, green, and then yellow. Yeah. See. No deal or no seal. I mean, no deal or no deal. Whoops. I'm gonna go seal. Wow, I actually got that right. I'm watching carefully. Come on in. Oh, there it is. The choice is yours. Well, I'm gonna skip it. Save changes to untitled. I'm gonna skip that one. I don't know that one. Wait, why did that V just turn green? Oh! How do you kill a werewolf? Shoe polish. Some of these are actually I already know, so I'm just like going through them. Honey, egg mayonnaise. This one is really fun.
Woof. Woof. Woof.
Woof, woof, woof. What are the main ingredients of shampoo? How many letters are in this hand? 7? Wait, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, the hand's chopped off. Gross. I'm just gonna go stuff. Alright. Elephants don't like mice. Okay. Hello? You guys there? Oh, there you are. No. No! I'm sorry. Come on, please come out. No! No! Here we go. Right. Okay, don't move. It seems like every time I move, the elephants like move. That's not. Oh, there we go. Click this to carry on. Okay. What do you call a wingless fly? Jason? No. I don't know. Can you get this question wrong? No. Yay! Mary Rose sat on a pin. Mary Rose. What is that? Is that belly button lint or something like that? What the heck is that? I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna skip that. I don't know what that is. Oh god, I know skips. Don't touch the pink. If you only had a bridge. I don't have a bridge. What do I do? I'm guessing, since you're not touching the pink. Oh, it worked! Sweet. Afro. I think it's... No! Is it this one? Oh no! Well guys, thank you for watching, and that's it. Please like and subscribe.